Morgan with WTI.
I love this set of dresser drawers from New Owns. These are so beautiful. I have enjoyed having these in my home so much. I have them in two different places, although you could also put them together, which is so beautiful. The details on these are gorgeous. I love the handles. I love the design on the front. I just think it is so pretty. And it is so nice in a lot of different areas in my home. The drawers are pretty deep and they can fit a lot, which is so nice. So if you're using it as a little side table, maybe you want your books in there, your remotes, some candles. They also look gorgeous together as a set in a dining room. Anywhere you want to use them, they will look fantastic. The drawers are great, very easy to use and to push in, and they look so good in my home. I also love how there's enough space underneath to put my robot vacuum, so it's just hidden away in its own little spot, but there's good space under there as well for anything or nothing at all. It looks so nice and sleek. The pattern on it is really, really pretty. I've already gotten a lot of compliments on it since we put it up in our house, and they just are so great for anything you need. It is a great way to store it in a fashionable way. It also comes with everything you need to set it up. And the packaging was so thoughtful and so nice. It came with things that you can use to make it easier for yourself, gloves to set it up with, a placemat for your floor, everything that you need. It was pretty easy to set up and it just looks so good. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think you'll love it too.
I absolutely love this set, and that's my point of view.